Hi guys, I'm JPTips. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use ChatGPT 4.0 for free without a phone number. Usually, you're accustomed to this ChatGPT 3.5 version right here that you can access with chat.openai.com. Now this version is only free for 3.5. Furthermore, you need a phone number from the US, UK or those countries. I will show you a different method. Just go to bing.com/search and where you are there, click on the chat icon at the top left corner. And here, you can start to type anything. And there you have it. Bing is going to answer with ChatGPT 4.0 and you don't have to have a phone number to use the service. That's all for today. Subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.